Welcome to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a soft and aromatic walnut coffee cake. This cake made without an mold, made in a saucepan, and also made without an oven and perfect for any occasion. In a bowl, take half cup warm milk, add 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder, mix well and keep aside. In another bowl, add half cup curd, 2/3 cup sugar. Mix well until the sugar dissolves. Add 1/4 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Now add 1 and 1/4 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, mix gently. Pour the coffee mixture into the batter and combine until smooth. Don't overmix the batter. Grease a 5-inch saucepan with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the batter and spread evenly. Add walnuts on top. Place a pan on medium-low heat. Place the saucepan and cook for 30 to 35 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook only on medium-low heat for an even cake. For the coffee glaze, in a bowl add half cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon warm milk and 1 teaspoon instant coffee powder. Mix until smooth. Use warm milk for a smooth glaze. Pour the glaze over the cool cake and let it set. Coffee enhances the flavor of nuts beautifully. Walnuts support heart and brain health. Curd makes cake naturally soft. No oven cake stays moist longer. Let the cake cool before glazing. Walnuts are a good source of healthy fats. Curd helps with digestion. Coffee improves alertness naturally. This cake is made with oil, giving a lighter texture. Your soft walnut coffee cake is ready, perfect for tea time or festive moments. Tell me what cake you want next and follow Innovin Foods for more easy recipes.